This video is not an installation video. We bought the shocks from Amazon. They have absolutely the best prices, I think, unless you're an employee at a parts house or have a family member employed with some of the parts houses. I'm not sure what kind of discount they can get. But these delivered to your door, and we're going to have a 4x shop install them. The issue that we're concerned with is the truck has to have a 2-inch lift for clearance for the tires. These are the 5100 series, assembled in USA, Bilstein, and they are adjustable on the front. The bottom, the C-ring, the clip here, my thumb, in the bottom position is supposed to give you a stock ride height. You can move it up and gain 59/100ths of an inch or 15 millimeter. That's considered an average lift according to Bilstein. The third one is 1.18 inch or 30 millimeter, again considered average lift. And the highest position you can go is 1.77 or 45 millimeters. So right at 1 3/4 inch. We're going to try it, and if that don't do it, we're going to have to add about a 1/2 inch lift into it to get it to work. I believe Bilsteins are high quality. This is a shot of the front, the left front shock, 2012 1500 Chevy Silverado. The shock's getting ready to get replaced with a Bilstein adjustable 5100 series. This is the left rear factory shock, 2012 1500 Chevy Silverado, about 55,000 miles on it. I forgot to add, the front has a 2-inch lift kit over stock. This Silverado has 20-inch wheels, and it looks like 33 1250s, and it's not actually a lift kit, it's considered a leveling kit. And that's why we're going to try the 5100 Bilsteins, try to get it level with the back fender wells. The trucks should be absolutely level when we're done. This is the Bilstein 5100s. The front was adjustable. I'll show you them. These are the fronts. Can't really see a whole lot. You can see the adjustment cuts right there. Right here's your slots, your adjustments. He's in the top one. It's as high as you can go, 1 77/100ths of an inch. Well, let's just call it 1 3/4 inch. And I'll show you how the truck sets with it. Again, this is as high as it'll set out of 4 adjustments. There's the tire size, 33, 1250, 20. Shot of the wheel, the fender. Now we'll do a sideways shot. I'm going to put a link in the description to purchase. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.